discussion is on leadership styles. लीडरशिप स्टाइल्स पे अब हम बात करेंगे जी के लीडरशिप स्टाइल्स कौन कौन से होते हैं. नंबर 1 इज autocratic leadership style. Number 2, bureaucratic leadership style. Number 3, democratic leadership style. And number 4, laissez-faire leadership style. This is a French word. So in English we pronounce it like this. Autocratic leadership style is what, G? Autocratic leaders dictate orders to their staff and make decisions without any consultation. Autocratic. Like what? Like army. You don't want to consult with people. Yes, if you have ordered for fire and the person is in a position to discuss with you, he will not fire before that, he will discuss with the commander, then it is not workable. So in some organization, at some workplaces, it is important to have autocratic leadership style. So autocratic leaders dictate orders to their staff and make decisions without any consultation. Autocratic leaders like to control the situation they are in. In autocratic leadership style, decisions are quick. This type of management style can decrease motivation and increase staff turnover if you are not doing it in right type of organizations. So autocratic leadership क्या है जी? इसमें डिक्टेशन दी जाती है, ऑर्डर्स डिक्टेट किए जाते हैं टू द स्टाफ और डिसीजन लिए जाते हैं विदाउट एनी कंसल्टेशन. इस केस में कंट्रोल ज्यादा बेहतर होते हैं मैनेजर्स के एंड डिसीजंस आर क्विक. डिसीजन ज्यादा क्विक लिए जाते हैं और इस केस में मैं इस मैनेजमेंट स्टाइल में इट कैन डिक्रीज द मोटिवेशन एंड इंक्रीज स्टाफ टर्नओवर in case you are not applying it in that type of organization where it is required. Bureaucratic leadership. If somebody has some experience of bureaucracy, then they practice this bureaucratic leadership. This style of leadership follows a close set of standards. Set of standards. There are set of standards and they follow those set of standards. An exact specific way to ensure safety and or accuracy. Dangerous working environment, hazardous material, sometimes specific set of procedures are necessary to ensure safety, and it involves large amount of money and complexity. Does not allow to bank an individual judgment. Again, this is authoritative. Democratic or participative style. Democratic managers delegate authority to its staff. Yes, डेमोक्रेटिक में ये होता है जी, डेमोक्रेटिक और पार्टिसिपेटिव में कि डेमोक्रेटिक मैनेजर्स क्या करते हैं कि वो अथॉरिटी डेडिकेट कर देते हैं स्टाफ को, गिविंग देम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कंप्लीट दैट टास्क. Staff will complete tasks using their own work methods on time. So what is important? To complete the task. These type of leaders are not concerned कि आपने कैसे complete करना है. They are concerned कि ये काम complete होना चाहिए. Employees are involved in decision making, giving them a sense of participation, resulting in motivating individuals. Yes, employees are involved in decision making. Exactly opposite to autocratic style. Employees in democratic style, employees are involved in decision making and giving them a sense of participation, resulting in motivation of employees. जब एम्प्लॉइज को आप डिसीजन मेकिंग में इन्वॉल्व करेंगे तो व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट? एम्प्लॉय ओन करेंगे उसे और उनकी मोटिवेशन इंक्रीज हो जाएगी फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. It increased job satisfaction by involving employees and team members, of course, and But sometimes it is a slow decision making process. It is not that quick, because you want to take everyone on board. You want to take everyone on board so that everyone has ownership of that decision. Next is लेसे फेयर स्टाइल. लेसे फेयर स्टाइल में क्या होता है जी? मैनेजर सेट द टास्क एंड गिव स्टाफ कंप्लीट फ्रीडम टू कंप्लीट दैट टास्क एज दे सी फिट एंड लीव इट बी. देखिए ये उसी तरह का ही है जिस तरह का हमने डेमोक्रेटिक स्टाइल पढ़ा है. मैनेजर सेट टास्क एंड गिव स्टाफ कंप्लीट फ्रीडम टू डू दैट. Hands off management, it works for teams in which the individuals are very experienced and skilled self starters. ये वहां ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल है जी कि जहां आपकी टीम ऑलरेडी बहुत ट्रेंड है एंड दे आर वेल स्किल्ड कि वो खुद से उस काम को कर लेंगे, कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. दे आर सेल्फ स्टार्टर्स. देयर इज मिनिमल इन्वॉल्वमेंट फ्रॉम द मैनेजर. The manager coaches or supply information if required. Benefits क्या है जी इसके? Staffs are developed to take responsibility. And what can be the drawback of this method, this style? Staff feel staff feel lost and not reach the goals set within the time frame if they are not well trained.